Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and most likely you click on this video is you have troubles with your iPhone, whether it is you forgot your iPhone passcode, or there is an Apple ID lock, alright, or you want to bypass or remove MDM, alright, remote management on your iPhone, alright. That can be used due to various reasons, alright. Well, you're in luck today because today I have the perfect tool for you that can help you solve any of your issues or any of the problems you have right now, alright. And it is with the help of this software right here, alright. So this is the Passixer, alright. And yeah, it's a really powerful and really easy to use tool, alright. I've used it before quite a lot of times, alright, to either help my friends, alright, or sometimes I bought an iPhone, alright, for my parents, alright, and it comes with most of the most common issue is the iCloud activation lock, alright. A lot of previous owners, they forgot to sign up of their iCloud, alright, and if you contact them, they don't want to give you the password because they scared you hack them or what, and then they just ignore you. So yeah, so I went to this tool and I use it to remove that, and it's really useful, alright. It does it magically, alright. The iCloud is magically removed, alright. And yeah, I have a few iPhones, alright, from probably a few years down, alright, and I forgot the passcode to it because my first few iPhones, alright, and with this tool I have removed the passcode, alright. So yes, this tool works on the older phone you have, alright, and also works on the newer phone as well. So this thing I think also supports iOS 18 as well as of recording this video, alright. And yeah, it's really awesome, alright. I don't run into any issue after that, alright. And yeah, my iPhone works really well, no issues at all, and yeah, until now. So yeah, so that's why I'm showing you guys this tool. So right now I'm going to show you guys the software itself. You guys can see what are the features and what kind of thing that you can do, alright. And after that I'm going to do a quick demonstration on the whole unlocking process, alright. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself. Let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is the software itself, and the UI is so clean, alright. I love the it's just so simple. It looks like an iPhone, alright. And yeah, they have a lot of different things that you can do on this software itself, alright. First of all, you can wipe passcode. So if you have you've forgotten your passcode, you can use this to wipe away the passcode, alright. If you have, like me, alright, buy a phone that has Apple ID sign in, alright, you can use this to remove the Apple ID so you can use the phone, alright. You can remove remote management from some organization as well. If your iPhone probably passed down by some organization, you can use this to remove as well. You can use this to remove if you key in too many wrong tries of passcode, alright. They will lock you up probably for 1 minute, and the second time probably 3 or 5 minutes. After that, it's gonna be days and shut. So if you saw one phone that is days, or either your friend play a prank on you and such, alright, you can use this to remove that as well, alright. Remove backup, encryption settings on iTunes as well to protect your privacy, or even bypass iCloud activation lock. So this they have a lot of things that you can do, alright, on your iPhone. So if your iPhone had any one of these issue, this tool can definitely do it for you, alright. So yeah, you can probably choose remove Apple ID. If you click on that, alright, all you guys have to do is just to connect your iPhone to your PC or your laptop, no matter where you are installed this thing on, alright. And yeah, most of the time this software, the whole process is very simple. I'm going to show you guys the demonstration real quick. So yeah, most of the time you don't have to do anything. You just need to sit back and relax and just let the software do the job, alright. So yeah, all you guys have to do is just to connect your iPhone to your PC. Alright, so right now I'm going to just show you guys the demonstration itself. So I'm going to just connect my iPhone to my PC. I'm going to show you the whole process itself. So yeah, this is the demonstration itself. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys the wipe passcode. Alright, so we're going to demonstrate the wipe passcode. Alright, just click on start. Alright, just connect your iPhone to your PC. Alright, once you connect it, it will detect your iPhone, which mine is the iPhone 11. Alright, and it's running iOS 17.4. If everything checks out, alright, looks okay, just click on start. This will download the firmware package. All you guys have to do right now is just wait. Alright, so yeah, just let it download. Alright, so once it's downloaded, alright, they will come out with this warning. Just make sure that you are okay with the warning and type in 4 zeros. Alright, so once you type in 4 zeros, it will start doing the unlocking process. And this time, just wait. Alright, your iPhone will reboot, and once it's reboot, everything will be done. So this is how easy it is, alright, to unlock your iPhone. Alright, so you guys have seen the demonstration. It is so easy to remove, alright, your unlock, remove any Apple ID or remove any passcode lock, alright. in just less than 5 minutes. Alright, so yeah, most of the time you just need to, sit back and relax, take a cup of coffee, come back, and your phone is ready to be used. So yeah, you can see how reliable and how safe this software is. Alright, and like I say, I've been using this software for quite some time. Alright, for some of my other iPhones, my parents' phones. Alright, and I don't run into any issues until now. So the phone works completely fine, receive Apple updates, and yeah, and can install download apps without any issues at all. So yeah, it's a really great tool if you guys are out there, you're looking for a really reliable tool to help you do any of your problems with your iPhone. Alright, so this is the tool itself. If you guys want to check out this Passixer iPhone unlocker, you guys can just check out the first link in the video description down below and go ahead and start unlocking or start removing your iPhone. Alright, and the reason why you go with this compared to you go to like probably a shop that helps you does that. Alright, the reason is down to the price itself. Alright, if you were to go to the shop, alright, they will probably charge you like 3 to 4 times the price you are paying for this software. So why spend the extra money, go down there, and you might risk your data getting stolen by the the shop itself. Alright, so yeah, you can, with this software you are saving a ton of money, and as well as you can help your friends, family to do that. Alright, and also one great thing is also your privacy. So you can do this in your own home on your own PC, so all your data, all these are protected. Imagine if you go, if you forget your passcode, for example, you bring this to some shops that help you does that. First of all, you pay like a hefty amount of price. Second, when they unlock your phone, alright, before they pass it back to you, they could have like look through all your photos, maybe download some important information, maybe your credit card details. You don't know what they do behind you. So yeah, so if you want to be safe, do it at the comfort of your own home, alright, and save a ton of money, highly recommend you guys to check out this software right here. Alright, so I'll link them, the first link in the video description down below for you guys to check it out. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. If you find today's video really interesting and did help you solve your iPhone problems, let me know in the comment section as well. And without further ado, this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.